Hey guys, this is my review of some homemade sand scoops. I got the designs of some of these off of YouTube, and I went ahead and made them. And I was out for about 4 hours today, and I tested them out. I got this design. A couple of guys on the internet, on YouTube, made this. I modified it. The ones that I saw online had a mesh here with a clamp. I found this drain pipe here and knocked it into the bottom of this 4-inch pipe. I cut it out. I sharpened the edge. The one that saw online had the connection here, and I didn't think that would be sturdy enough, so I went right through here and I connected it at the bottom using the same design with a hollow anchor that I saw online. I will have to say though that this design here did not really perform very well. It doesn't scoop up a lot of sand. It's kind of heavy, and it's a little awkward to use, and so I don't know if I'll be using this design again. This one here was a feed scoop. Works really well in shallow sandy water. I got this at the Tractor Supply Company, and I spent about $2.99 on this, and I drilled a bunch of holes, and you just you shove it in, you scoop it out, and it works very well, but only, like I said, in sandy areas where you're walking on the sand or in very shallow water. The third design was one that I came up with myself, and this is a feed scoop. I also got this at Tractor Supply. Sorry about the glare of the sun there. And what I did was I drilled a couple of holes in the bottom of it. Of course, I drilled all of my sand holes, and attached a hollow aluminum pipe. It was actually a push pole that you would use on a boat, or a grab pole. But you can see after about digging maybe 100 holes, it finally gave way. This worked incredibly well. This was really good. It's got good size. You can see you can get a lot of material in there, and I dug up about 10 quarters, some dimes, and numerous bottle caps with this. I plan on removing this rivet that connects up here, and putting the bolt right through that hole to give an extra bracing to grab here. And I'm going to use a heavier duty pole, and I would say this thing was $9.99 at Tractor Supply, and I might use this electrician's underground pipe. It's really heavy duty, and I'm going to drill some holes in that, and I'm going to move this over to this, and you got a winning design right there. Like I said, until it broke, this worked really well. I could put my foot right at the bottom of there, push it down into the sand, jiggle it, and take a big 20 pounds of sand out of there, and that's why you can see that it broke. I learned today that after about 4 hours that it does pay to have a heavy-duty scoop, and I'm going to modify this one, and hopefully I'll get some more life out of it. So there's my review of some homemade hand scoops. Like I said, this one and that one worked great. This one, I wouldn't really waste my time on it again. The scoop worked great. It really worked well. It dug down really deep. I got a lot of material inside there, and I found lots and lots of coins and whatnot using this before it broke. So what I did was I got a piece of electrician's piping for underground piping. This was about $3, much thicker material, and I cut a couple of holes. I reinforced it with some to spread out the force with a couple of washers. I also on the handle of this feed scoop, there was a rivet. And I drilled that rivet out, and I put the bolt through there, and that's going to transfer the force all the way out to this handle. And this is going to have plenty of prying power, because, like I said, if you've done any scooping in sand, you will need the prying power. I also put some big washers in here to spread the force out, and hopefully we won't have any more breakages or pull-throughs. And I'm pretty sure that this design with this heavy-duty pipe is going to work wonders. So take it from me, I would pass on the PVC design. There's another one out there that uses a plastic scoop like this one with a handle on it. I'd probably pass on that one too, because you know, when you get sand full in there, you kind of need a lot of force, and I have a feeling that that handle would break off after about maybe 10 scoops. So there you have it. Hope you like it, and have fun building your own. It was really easy. A drill and some bits and some bolts, and built this in with about $15 worth of parts, and I did it in less than half an hour. So have fun and good luck hunting.